Hey guys, this is Way here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Leisure Travel Unity island bed model. For those of you that are familiar with leisure travels, you know they do the vacuum bonded walls. This model has upgraded solar panels at the top, two of them. Ton of outside storage. It's got a huge pass-through storage on this coach. It's great for long trips. It's got a 3600 watt propane generator. Let's take a look at the inside. Hey guys, we're inside the 2015 Leisure Travel Unity island bed model. It's a pretty unique floor plan. It's got Corian countertops. Also an extension here. You'll see the infotainment center in the front for the backup camera. Cool thing about these Mercedes chassis, when you're on the road, it's extremely quiet. You don't get a lot of engine noise. This coach also has the quiet door. So if you'll notice, it's extremely quiet in here. Once you shut the door, that's one of the big things about leisures. You get a lot of you don't get a lot of the outside road noise. You know, you got your spice rack here. TV's hidden. Got your fantastic fan here for the winter time, so you don't have to run your AC so much. Cool thing about these, you crack your window open. It takes about 60 seconds to cycle the air. Bathroom and shower separate. You got your shower here. And then it just closes off so you can get some privacy. And a lot of room with the walk-around beds, so you're not scooching to get on the bed at night. So cool thing about that is it's a lot more comfortable when you have to get out of the bed. You don't have to crawl over anybody or get stuck in the corner. I'm Way at Johnson RV. If you'd like some more information on this unit, just give us a call and ask for me.